When you delete data from a computer or other digital storage device, the data isn't immediately or completely erased. Instead, the following generally occurs. 1. Marking for deletion. When you delete a file, the operating system typically marks the space occupied by the file as available for new data. The file itself is not erased. It's simply removed from the file system index, making it inaccessible through normal means. 2. Data remains intact. The actual data remains on the storage device until it is overwritten by new data. This means that with specialized software, it's often possible to recover deleted files. 3. File fragmentation. Data recovery tools can sometimes piece together fragmented data. When files are deleted, their data may be scattered across different parts of the storage medium, but recovery tools can locate and reassemble these fragments. Specialized software. There are many tools designed to recover deleted data. These programs can scan the storage device for data remnants and attempt to reconstruct the deleted files, ensuring complete deletion. To truly erase data and prevent recovery, overwrite the data. Use software that writes over the deleted files with random data or specific patterns multiple times. This process is often called data wiping or secure erase. Physical destruction. For highly sensitive data, physically destroying the storage device, like shredding or incinerating hard drives, ensures that the data cannot be recovered. Encryption. Encrypting data before storing it means that even if the data is recovered after deletion, it remains unreadable without the encryption key. ### practical example. Windows and Mac OS. When you delete a file, it moves to the recycle bin on Windows or trash on Mac OS. Emptying these moves the file from view, but the data remains on the disk until overwritten. Solid-state drives, SSDs. SSDs use a process called trim to manage deleted data more effectively. When a file is deleted, the trim command informs the SSD which blocks of data are no longer in use, allowing the SSD to manage space more efficiently and securely. However, even with trim, data can sometimes be recovered until overwritten. In summary, simply deleting files does not permanently remove them. To ensure that data is completely and irretrievably erased, specific methods such as data wiping, encryption, or physical destruction must be employed.